Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from HelpCrunch to Discord. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from HelpCrunch to other systems. For example, in Discord you will be able to receive new messages and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, HelpCrunch. Now, select the action, Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your HelpCrunch account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your HelpCrunch personal account. Next, go to the Settings. Go to the Developers section. Public API item. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the HelpCrunch system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so also click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data for one of your HelpCrunch contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. At this point, the HelpCrunch data source setup is successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system, Discord. Next, select the action, Send Message. At this stage, you need to connect your Discord account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your Discord personal account. At this stage, you need to grant ApiX-Drive access to work with your Discord account. For this, select the server. Next, click Continue. Check that all the checkboxes are enabled. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you see the Discord fields for sending messages. First, select the channel. In the message field, you can assign variables from HelpCrunch. To do this, click in the field and select the variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. Use Enter to go to the next line. When all the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Discord as messages to the selected channel, with each new contact from HelpCrunch. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Discord. After successful sending, go to Discord and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This successfully completes the setting of Discord as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.